Seeking English S.A.T. Workbook, page 371, problem 4. Says you may use a calculator, and again, I'm not going to use a calculator, so I may stumble a bit. Enjoy watching me stumble. Do use your calculator if it prevents you from stumbling. It says the sum of three numbers is 470. One of the numbers n is 50% more than the sum of the other two numbers. What is the value of n? So let's take this. The sum of three numbers is 470. So that's A plus B plus C equals 470. Okay? They told me that much. One of the numbers n, so A, B, or C has to go. I'm going to say C is going to go. So I'm going to say A plus B plus n. One of the numbers n is 50% more than the sum of the other two numbers. Okay? Sum of the other two numbers is A plus B. Same A plus B here. And it's 50% more, so it's going to be 1.5 times that equals n. Okay? Now, this might be a little controversial, but look at the problem. A and B never get separated. That's a lot to deal with mentally. I'm just going to say this. We already used C. I'm not going to use C again. So I'm going to change A and B to W. Really? Yeah. Okay. Watch this video carefully and see whether you can get your algebra teacher or your parents or somebody else upset. But during the test, you realize I'm going to be scribbling less if I can just do that. But you need to be sure that you know what you're doing. Okay, so I've wasted time explaining how to save time. Maybe. Okay, W plus N equals 470. W, 1.5 there. From there, you want W gone. Okay, how do we do that? We put this over here. I'm going to take away N from there. Okay, then I'm going to take this and put the N over the 1.5. Really? Yes. So this is equivalent to W, that's equivalent to W. So down here, N, if these are both W, then they're equivalent to each other without W figuring in the matter. So N over 1.5, okay, equals 470 minus N. Yes? And I don't really like denominators, so I'm gonna do this. 1.5. There. Okay. And I can do this. I can do this 470 times 1.5 minus 1.5 times n. Okay. I'm going to add 1.5 n to both sides. This becomes 2.5 n. Okay. From there, I can take the 2.5 down here. Really? Yes. 2.5. It's complicated, I know. I'm just doing it as quickly as I can. I didn't prepare for this video, just so you can see how I attack a problem. Even if I've seen it before, I just kind of have to go right at it. 470 from there. I don't really need these. I'll get rid of those if I want to. That you should be able to run that through a calculator. While you're doing that, I'm going to reduce this to a 3, and I'm going to reduce this to a 5. Okay. And then I'm gonna double both of these. It's gonna become 6 over 10, and then I'm gonna cancel this 0 off of there. It becomes 47 times 6. Okay, it should be 240, and yes, 42, 282. Is it 282 as an answer? 282 is an answer. Okay, hopefully. You won't have to do that on the test. Hopefully, just bang, bang, bang. But like I keep mentioning, when I grew up, calculators were not abundant. So this is what we did.